team is putting in place, which, by the way, I think everyone would recognize the system. But you talked about in-home meetings, you talked about the weekly meeting, you talked about the monthly training. I just wanted maybe for 30 seconds or 60 seconds for you to talk about that system of how your team is getting in front of people, because I think that's the magic to the success that you're having right now.
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, so we're doing everything everybody else is doing with the live events and everything, but we're also getting back to PBRs, getting back to living rooms. We're going to be getting living room legend t-shirts, getting that back going. But also we set up a Zoom blitz within our team. We're obviously leveraging the Team Pinnacle 8 p.m., but we're doing a 7 p.m. for us, an 8 p.m., and then a 9 p.m. Throughout the whole week. And then Saturday, Team Pinnacle is doing one all day, but we're just leveraging us, working our butts off, but making sure that the team knows that they have support and have a place to plug their people in nonstop.
I love that. I saw the post you made on Facebook on Saturday. You had a great team event in Cape Coral where you had a business opportunity event, then you had some training, but then you guys all got together and had a pool party, barbecue, and things like that. Could you just talk a second about